ਹਾਂਜੀ ਸੁਣਿਓ ਵੈਲਕਮ ਟੂ ਦ ਕਾइंड फ्लक्स मैं आरिश नागपाल ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਹੀ ਹੈ hey guys welcome to the kind flux I'm Aarish Nagpal. So today's topic gonna be how you guys can save money, especially when you're living overseas, and you're earning less and your expenses are a bit more. I'm just gonna share you my experience, what I done and that sort of things. So I will give you few tips, probably 5 and one bonus tip. Okay, so number one tip is, for example, if you're earning like $600, say, out of $600 you can always keep $200. I'm just giving a rough idea, what I will do. You can always keep like $200 on side and transfer it to another account or something, and you think about yourself, you think about it that you just earn $400. Okay, so out of $400 you have to spend it on your living expenses, food and that sort of things. Saving money is really good, but you don't want to end up like, I don't want to eat this or I don't want to eat this because I just want to save money. You have to enjoy your life as well, because life is, you have one life, it's one time, you have to enjoy it, but you have to think about other things as well, for future and for your house or something like that. So that was the number one tip. Number two tip is cook yourself. That's really important, because when we are really hungry, like we can't even control our hunger or something like that, so we tend to go for fast food or something like that, which is really quick and easy to get. For example, McDonald's, KFC, that sort of things. There are two disadvantages. First of all, it's not good for your body, if you're eating junk food every day, that sort of thing. Secondly, because it's so convenient and stuff, you just, if you eat it like 5 times a week or something like that, you will end up spending like hundreds of dollars, at least 100 or something like that. So you can avoid this by preparing yourself before, prepare your meals before, and then you always have something to eat when you're hungry and stuff, and you don't have to eat that fast food and stuff like that, and by that your health will improve as well, and you have something better to eat. That was my number 3 tip. Sorry, I have a little bit sore throat, so sorry about that. And number 4th tip is, when I was new in New Zealand, what I done, for first few months I shared my room with someone. I really don't like it anymore. I done it for like 4-5 months, but that's not really my cup of tea. The problem with that is, it's the extreme case scenario. I wouldn't recommend it, to be honest, but by this you will reduce your living expenses, and the disadvantage with that is you will not have your privacy. For example, you want to sleep, and someone, your roommate, wanna do his assignment at night time or something like that, and then he's like typing with his keyboard like and then it's so noisy and stuff, you can't really sleep, and the lights are on off. If he's going somewhere at night, it's very annoying, and your relationship with him might not be good as it was before you guys moved in, or something like that. So that's my 5th tip. And the last tip is, if you have to buy something, always look for the bargains. You don't have, for example, you're buying a laptop, don't just go to a store and buy it. First of all, do some research where you can get the best deal out of all the stores, check online and that sort of things. Secondly, wait for the sales. For example, there are sales all the time. For example, Black Friday, Boxing Day, that sort of thing. So always wait for that sort of things, and once it's a sale time, get those things then, by that you will save a lot of money. And other bonus tip, I will give you one more bonus tip. Don't just buy things, which you don't need. Always ask yourself, do you really need that thing? If your friend have an iPhone 13, that doesn't mean that you should have it as well. It's not a race or any competition. Somebody have a really nice car, it shouldn't mean that you should have it. I'm not saying that you shouldn't get yourself good things, if you can afford it and stuff, but I'm saying, don't compare yourself with someone else and start buying things just because they have. So that sort of thing is not healthy for your life, it's not healthy for your mental status. And that sort of thing. Just think what you really want to buy and what you really need. Think about other things, you know. You will get those things eventually once you get settled down and stuff, but think about these things first, okay? So that was my tips for how you can save money. If you have more tips, let me know in the comment section. I will definitely recommend them to my friends and stuff, and I might make another video about it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Signing off. Love you all.